Hello guys, so this is what we call the triangle shell drill, pero this time ito ay tatlo lang muna. Tatlo yung offensive players and then dalawa lang yung ating defensive players. So the offense is spread around 3-point line. Defense is set in tandem position with the pass to the wing, 2 sprints. Okay? And then, as you can see, kung mapapansin natin, bumaba si Juan para magkaroon ng help defense. If ever merong doon, may skip pass, mapupuntahan niya agad. Okay? There you go. So, as you can see, babalik ulit doon sa position na yon para mabantayan niya yung 1. Si number 2 naman ang pupunta sa may free throw line. So, number 2 will cover both 3 and 2 if ever 1 passes the ball to either side. Ayan. So, bumaba siya for a skip pass. So, tingnan natin yung responsibility ng mga players na to, no? So, ayan. Okay, pag binalik, ganun ulit. So, ganyan lang po yung shell drill na ginagawa para ma-improve yung defensive ability ng ating mga players, no? So pwede natin itong pagawa muna as a starting point for them to improve their defense. So ganyan lang po ang ginagawa natin. Okay, so that would be all. I hope this will help your team to improve their defense, and at the same time para rin the responsibility, mabuo yung responsibility sa kanila kung paano mag guard, lalong lalo na if they are in a position like this 3-on-2. So paano nila gwagwardyahan yung ganyan. So half court scrimmage lang ito para ma-improve ang kanilang depensa.